Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in the heartland of the United States, Decatur, Illinois, and home of Precision Indexable. Precision Indexable has been designing and building custom indexable insert tooling for over 50 years. At the beginning of the indexable insert tooling revolution, they hired a highly skilled toolmaker who had learned techniques to build insert cartridges and tool holders. That one toolmaker trained two more, and it took off from there. As a company that strives for constant improvement, Precision Indexable has reinvested their profits in purchasing state-of-the-art CNC equipment coupled with solid modeling software and CAM software, which gives them the latest production techniques, allowing them to conceptualize, design, and manufacture some of the best indexable tooling in the industry. Precision Indexable's patented Wedge Bore is a cost-effective alternative to high-performance reamers. It is a compact, adjustable multi-tooth boring system for production machining, which holds plus or minus 50-micron hole tolerances. With more than 150 years of combined experience, Precision Indexable provides exceptional precision tooling, combined with unique, personal service. They pride themselves on being the best at what they do, and have a proven track record of exceeding expectations. Whether you need a custom tooling package to process a complete part, a custom designed tool to replace a defective one, or a reverse engineered component to get you up and running when you need it most, think of Precision Indexable. You can find Precision Indexable today at pre-dex.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.